Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 37 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/5/3. The question goes like this. An arch of a railway bridge built on Chenab riverbed is shown in the above diagram. It is a parabolic arch connecting two hills at P and Q. If the parabolic curve is represented by the polynomial p of x is equal to, observe the diagram and based on the above information answer the following questions. So let's first observe the diagram. So this is a downward parabola since a is negative. A is the coefficient of x square. The parabola touches the x-axis at two places. One is q and the other one is p. So minus 238.5 and 228.5 are the solutions for this parabola. And the highest point in the parabola is A, which happens when x is equal to 0. So the coordinates of A is 0, some y value. Question 1. Write the coordinates of the point A. So we have discussed about A already. The coordinates of A is 0, y. Now here we have to find the y value. If we substitute x is equal to 0 in p of x, that is p of 0 becomes 136. Therefore, A's coordinates will be 0, 136. This is the answer for question number 1. Question 2. Find the span of the arch. Span of the arch is nothing but the distance between the points P and Q. So if we subtract the coordinates, x coordinates of these 2 points, then we get the span. Span of arch is equal to distance between P and Q 228.5 minus Q's x coordinate is minus 238.5, gives us 467 units. Question 3 part A. Write the zeros of the polynomial using diagram and verify the relationship between sum of the zeros and polynomial. From the diagram, the roots of the polynomial is 228.5 and minus 238.5. The second part is to verify the relationship between sum of the zeros and the polynomial. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is 228.5 plus minus 238.5. We get minus 10. The given polynomial is p of x is equal to minus 0.0025 x square minus 0.025 x plus 136. In this, a is minus 0.0025, b is minus 0.025 and c is plus 136. Minus b by a is equal to minus of minus 0.025 divided by a is minus 0.0025, which gives us minus 10. Alpha plus beta is minus 10 and minus b by a is also minus 10. So the relationship is verified. Part B of question 3. Find the values of p of x at x is equal to 100 and x is equal to minus 100. Are they same? So let's substitute 100 in p of x, which is minus 0.0025 times 100 the whole square minus 0.025 times 100 plus 136. P of minus 100 is minus 0.0025 times minus 100 the whole square minus 0.025 times minus 100 plus 136. The first terms in both the polynomials will give us the same result, and the last term is a constant that is also same. The change creator is the middle term. So even without calculating, we will be able to tell that both of them are not equal. But then the question is asking for value. So let us calculate the value of it and then give the answer. P of 100 is 25 minus 2.5 plus 136, which is 158.5, and P of minus 100 is 25 plus 2.5 plus 136, which gives us 163.5. Therefore, P of 100 is not equal to P of minus 100. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.